Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting the keyboard app onto your Vivo. First, open Settings and go straight to Additional Settings or System Management. You need access to language and input. Next, open Google Play and install the keyboard you prefer, Gboard, SwiftKey, or a third-party option. Once installed, tap the app to grant storage and input permissions. This is required so the keyboard can load dictionaries and themes. Do this now so you can switch input methods in the next steps. Once the app is installed, make it the active input method. You go back to Settings, right arrow Language and Input, and choose Default Keyboard. Pick the keyboard you just installed. When prompted, confirm the change. This tells Android to route keystrokes to that app. Then open the keyboard's own settings to customize layout, language packs, autocorrect strength, and themes. Doing this here ensures the keyboard behaves the way you prefer in messaging, search, and passwords. Make sure languages are downloaded before exiting. You finish by testing the keyboard across different apps, notes, browser search, and login fields so you confirm behavior under real use. If you notice lag, missing predictions, or crashes, clear the keyboard app cache first, and if needed, reinstall. This often restores normal behavior. If suggestions or languages vanish, go to Settings and check the app's permissions. Revoke, then restore them to force a reset. Finally, reboot the phone. Once done, your new keyboard should be stable and responsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.